everyone, it's Ms. Hartman, and I am going to walk you through how to complete this examination day fiction practice assignment in Google Assignments here in Canvas. So once you click on the assignment in Canvas, this window is going to pop up. If you have not done so already, you'll have to link your KDISD Google account to the assignments, and it will prompt you and have a list of steps for you to take to link your KDISD Google account. Once you've done that, this will show up, this Google Assignments tab, and you will want to click on this copy of an examination day fiction practice. It's going to have your name and then copy of examination day fiction practice. When you click on this, another tab is going to open up, and this will be the assignment. So this assignment is in a Google Slides, and the first slide is your instructions. So you're going to read examination day, and you're going to answer the questions by the end of the day on Thursday. So to answer the questions, you're going to insert a text box in the blank space to add the text, and I'll show you how to use a text box function in Google Slides. Now, I want to show you this second slide right here. This is where your assignment starts. If you are struggling to read this text, you have some options. You can either zoom in, which is this little magnifying glass right here. If you zoom in, you can see the text a little bit better, okay? Or if you're still struggling because because it's a picture, it is a little bit blurry. So I'm going to zoom back out a minute. And if you can go back to the instructions page, and you can click on this link right here for a larger version of the story. When you click on this, this is going to pop up, this PDF, and then click on this PDF, and a new tab will open, and you will have a full-size version of the story if this helps you to see the story a little bit better, okay? So next, we are going to go to the next slide, and we are going to start answering these questions. So you'll see that the story is on the left side of your slide, and then your questions are going to be over on the right side. Now, I've already started answering some of these questions, but I do want to show you how to add these text boxes to answer these questions. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a prediction before you even start reading the story. Make a prediction. You're going to look at the title, and you're going to look at this picture. And you are going to make a prediction about what you think this story is going to be about. So in order to answer this question, you're going to have to create a text box underneath the question. To do this, you can go up here to the toolbar and click on this text box button right here. It's the box with the letter T in it. When you click on this, your cursor is going to turn, or your mouse pointer is going to turn into these little crosshairs. And then all you have to do is click and drag underneath the question to create a text box. And then you will answer your question here. I predict that, and then whatever your prediction is. Okay, remember we're answering in complete sentences here. And then you can just click away from it to close that text box. Then we need to move on to the next question. Read paragraphs 1 through 3. What is the mood here? Again, after reading those paragraphs, you're going to answer this question by creating a text box, by clicking this icon and clicking and dragging here to create a text box. And then I'm going to answer here. I'm going to continue to do this with each question. There are a total of 4 slides because this story is 4 pages long, and each slide has a series of questions that you'll need to answer by adding text boxes. Once you've finished the very last page and you've answered the very last question and you're ready to submit this, you need to go back into Canvas, which is a tab right over here, and you're going to click this blue button right here, Open to Attach and Submit. When I click that, this new tab is going to pop up, and I just need to confirm that, yes, this is the slide that I want to submit. So this is the examination day fiction practice. That is the correct assignment, and then I'm going to click Submit. And then it's going to say, do you really want to submit your work? And then you have to confirm once again, click the blue Submit button, and you will submit your assignment. If you have any questions about this assignment or about submitting it or accessing it, please feel free to reach out to your teacher. They will help you with this, with any questions that you have. Um, I will be available through email today if you have any questions. So please reach out if you are struggling with this or if you have any questions about this. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow.